Hello everybody, my name is Robert and this is Review Clue. Now before we get into today's video, I do just want to ask that if this is the first time that you're seeing my face on your screen or you're not currently subscribed, then please go down and do so. It helps me out a ton. And also if you enjoy these videos, why not share them with your friends and family? They probably enjoy them as well. Anyway, with that out of the way, let's get into today's video. Now during quarantine, I've been going a little bit mad with my Amazon shops. I tend to kind of add things to the basket and I'll buy them and I'll bring them here and I'll intend to do a video on them or use them, and they kind of just pile up like they have here. So what this video is going to be called is I bought on Amazon. And I'm no way implying that these products are bad with that name, I just thought it would be a funny, punny name. So let's get right into what I've got here and I can show you some of the things that I've bought over the last few months, either for a video or just for general life. So we'll start off with the least techie item here, and that is a foam roller. Now, as you guys probably know if you're in the UK, the gyms have just reopened after the whole pandemic thing. So foam roller, really important to me. My muscles get quite tense, especially after a workout, so foam rollers just help with that. I'll drop it in the description, as with all of these items. All of these items will be in the description below if you're interested. Now, these are pretty standard. These are some light strips. Light strips are everywhere on Amazon. These ones cost me, I think, £5. They also came with a Wi-Fi card and such, so we can connect these to a smart home. The reason I've got these is because I'm doing an office upgrade. My office is quite cramped at the moment, and I've been working a lot from home. So I want to make this feel like a proper office. So, light strips are a must. I'll drop them down below. Where should we go next? Let's go with these two. So these are from a company called Quell Design. I'm not going to go into these products too much just because I've got a video coming up that I'm really excited about, all based off of Quell Design products. The Ultimate Oculus Quest, I'm calling it. So what these guys do is they produce items for the Oculus Quest and for the HomePod and for the Google Home. And they are just little design for life things. So these are pretty cool. These are our little earmuffs that go onto the side of the Oculus Quest. The best way to think of this is it channeling sound from where it is on the earpiece here all the way down to your ears, so you get better surround sound. Move that off to the side. And we also have a little box from them here, which has inside of it a VR stand. Again, I won't build this right now. I plan to do that for the full video, which is going to be coming hopefully next week. So if you're interested, get subscribed for that. We'll go ahead and just drop that off to the side there. Let's go with this. So this technically isn't from Amazon. This is from a company called Gadget Discovery Club. They are quite a new company. I see them all the time on my Facebook and my Instagram. So I thought I'd check them out. You can buy them now. They are, I think, about £20 a month if you buy them month on month. If you decide to do a 6 or 12 month contract, they will of course drop in price. And what they promise is that you'll get a product every month in the post that is a gadget that will cost less, or that will cost more than you paid for the box. So let's go ahead and have a look straight at what's in this box. So I actually haven't opened this one yet either, so this would be pretty cool. So we've got the all the labels and stuff, but straight away we've got the product there. I'm going to drop the box off to the side, and we can see that it is the Rise Mini Boom speaker. Now, Rise, never heard of this company. From what I've heard, they do a lot of work with this company, with the Gadget monthly box. So expect to get a lot of these Rise products. This one is a mini speaker, and my god is that mini. Sorry, I'm also got a camera down here for close-ups, so I'm probably going to keep jumping in and out of shot from this one, but we'll work around it in the edit. So this is a tiny little speaker. Let's go ahead and... Wow. Okay, that was quite loud actually. So you get your speaker there. I will play some music out of it in a minute and we'll give it a listen and we'll see what it's like. Inside the box as well, we get just a micro USB cable there and a little lanyard as well if you wanted to connect this, I guess, to a bag. So that's pretty cool. We will drop the price of this one on the screen and you can decide for yourself whether I got a good deal here or not. think I probably did. I believe this is like £30 from what I've read online, but we'll have a look ourselves as well. Let's move on to the next product, and there's actually still quite a lot here. Alright, very boring, not particularly techy, but at the same time it is a tech item, a shaver. I think everyone has needed one of these in quarantine, and as you can see from my hair, I've started using one quite a lot. So it's getting quite hot in the summers here. I say it's hot. This is British hot, not like Australian hot. But what we get is the razor itself. I guess this could be for your hair or for your beard or for anything really. So there we go. Pretty standard, pretty cool. Also in the box here we do get some oil, a couple of ends, so different sizes, so you can get the perfect cut for you, and a cable for charging it as well. It is USB charging, which is odd. I didn't really expect a USB charging for this thing, but we'll go ahead and drop it off to the side, out of the way, and we will have a look at this one, the MPOW M12s. Now the MPOW M12s, I'm not going to go into any detail on these ones because I released a video on these yesterday, noting that they were some of the best earbuds I've ever used, and I still stand by that. So if you want to watch that video, it'll be up there or down there. Go watch it. Super cool headphones and super cool company as well. Love MPOW. So we'll move that off to the side. We'll go with some more truly wireless earphones, but these ones are a little bit different. Now, when I saw these originally on Amazon, I thought it would make a really funny video because of just how quirky, I guess, they were. On the top you get all the paperwork, you get the case, and on the bottom there you get a cable as well. We'll move the box and the cable out of the way, we're not too bothered by that, and slide it off there. So here we have it, the little box. We'll open it up, oh there we go, and we can see the earbuds there. I don't know how these sound, I haven't had a chance to properly listen to them yet, but I think they'll sound pretty standard. They are truly wireless headphones. On this side you've got USB-C and what appears to be a power button, we'll get back to that in a second. And on this side we also have this, just the little headphone jack, which again is odd. I don't know why they decided to put a headphone jack on this product. But hey, so you're probably wondering why there's plastic here. We'll peel it off, and I'm guessing you probably already see why. This does in fact have a screen on it, because this is in fact a fully fledged MP3 player. Of all things, this is an MP3 player. We can play our music off of this, we can play local music, we can read books if we really wanted to, we have Bluetooth, we have everything, and it's all within the case of these earbuds. And I thought it was just such an odd design. These earbuds can be connected to other devices as well, but they also connect to this MP3 player case. So I may well do a full video on these. We will see in the future. If you want to see that, then drop it down below. Drop a comment saying that you want to see it, because I'd be interested in trying out a full video on this. I just thought it was such a quirky product to have both in one case. A mouse. Yes, so as I noted, I'm doing the office upgrades, so I wanted to grab a new mouse. This one was dirt cheap and had one real advantage to me. We'll pull it out and I will show you that exact advantage now. So there is the mouse itself. We've got a DPI button, so we do have adjustive DPI. It's quite ergonomic, and we have two buttons on the side here as well. On the back, we can pull it out and we see two dongles. This is pretty cool. I'm really impressed by this. We have a USB dongle for things like a laptop, but we also have a USB-C dongle for things like the iPad Pro. So I do own an iPad Pro, so having a mouse that will work on both devices is super exciting to me. And this thing feels really nice and ergonomic, pretty cheap, but overall I'm really impressed, and I can't wait to get using it in the new office. So let's go ahead and look at the next product, which is a smartwatch. Yes, another smartwatch. Now, I tend to be getting these things everywhere I go. This one was no different. Very different packaging to what I'm used to. There we go. Oh, there's so much rubbish here to clean up. One of, I think, the thickest instruction manuals I've ever had for a smartwatch. It's in every language under the sun. So if you need the instruction manuals, they're there. Here we have the cable. Let's find out what kind of cable this uses. Okay, pretty standard connector there. It is just a magnetic pin connector. And we get the watch itself. Let's pull off that screen protector there and try and power this thing on. I think this one is the power button. Or is it going to require power first? It's going to require power first. So we'll give it some power in a minute first, and then we'll do some B-roll and have a talk about it as well. So this thing has quite a few features. We've obviously got step counting, calories burnt, power there. If we tap on the top button once, we get to all the activities. This can do a lot of activities. So that's pretty cool. We can run hiking, outdoor walking, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, running. That's all pretty cool. We can also do other. I don't know what other would be under. So to connect up to update the weather. So this does connect up to the Very Fit Pro app. I haven't done that yet, but I will. We have a heart rate monitor and a more functions page, which appears to just be a timer and a stopwatch. Apparently this will also do notifications, so that's pretty cool too if you want notifications. The band itself feels pretty standard, rubbery. The back looks pretty standard. It looks very much like the Amazfit style band, but that's that one there. If you're looking for a cheap smartwatch, then I will publish a full review on this one very soon. Let's go ahead and have a look at this one. This is a Toner microphone. Toner are a great company. They do a lot of microphone and sound gear. This one is no different. So here we are with their wireless microphone. This is a really weird one, and I've wanted to grab a microphone for a long time to do these videos so I can get better audio generally. So straight away, there is the microphone itself. I'm going to have to turn on to its side there. There is the microphone itself. Feels fairly heavy, fairly weighty. Got your power button, and we can twist off the bottom here to get at that battery compartment. So that's the microphone itself. We also do have the receiver, obviously. This wouldn't be a wireless microphone if it didn't have one of those. So there is that receiver. It is quite a big jack on the end. I can't think what size it is. It will be on the screen somewhere. So you have to be very specific. You've also got the wire, which I thought was a bit odd. You don't really want to be putting too much pressure on this jack. But we've also got a power cable there, so you can charge this thing up as well, considering it is, of course, wireless. Let's go ahead and move this off to the side. And I'm going to have a quick beer break. Now, guys, again, if you aren't subscribed to me already, please do so down below. It's really important to me. I love doing these videos, and I want to keep doing them. And at 200 subscribers, which I think I'm like 40 away from, I'm going to do a big giveaway, and you don't want to miss it. So get subscribed. And I think finally is this nondescript brown box here. This nondescript brown box contains a hot glue gun. Yes, so I bought a hot glue gun. You're probably wondering why I bought a hot glue gun. It is because I want to start sticking those light strips everywhere. Now, I used to do it with M3 tape, like the double-sided tape, but I found that it just kept falling down. The M3 tape is useless on most materials, so hot glue gun it is. This one had pretty good ratings, and I think we got every colour glue under the sun. So if we wanted to paint it with red, gold, green, blue, then we can. I could be very patriotic with my gluing, I guess. Alrighty guys, so there we have it. That has been I Bought on Amazon, episode 1. I really enjoyed this, and if you did as well, then don't forget to subscribe. Tell me in the comments down below that you enjoyed it, and I will try and get some more stuff in for more episodes like this. And of course, get subscribed because there is some really cool stuff coming up as well. There are so many reasons to subscribe, it's kind of not beneficial for you to not be subscribed. Anyway guys, my name has been Robert, this has been Review Clue, and I will catch you in the next one. Adios.